All right, guys, here we are with another episode of whatever this is. Don't forget to bring the cool stuff, as I always do. Let's make capitalism work for us. And with that, I will start with Bazinga. And by Bazinga, I mean that I'm so stupid that I didn't realize, and this is not the iPhone 13 mini, but this is the iPhone 12 mini. The iPhone 13 mini is no longer with us. And part of the reason why is because I was forced to get this, the iPhone 17. And also why I am wearing this. Because if I don't wear this while using this, I'm going to have to call Mepstagram and get my eyes replaced. So anyway, why am I here? So the iPhone 13 mini that I thought was broken turns out is not broken. And I have the evidence right here. No, it's not the case. The case was awesome. I love this case. And the good thing is that this case also works very well on the iPhone 12. So that's okay. But this, what you see here is the screen. I'm not sure if you guys can see it properly or not, if it's the correct orientation or whatever. But that's what I thought was the iPhone 13 mini breaking, but it turns out it's fine. It turns out it is absolutely fine, and that's a good thing. But you'll thank me later because I trolled our good old chef, and he made the iPhone 17 and the iPhone Air and all the other iPhones much stronger thanks to my annoyance. So thanks. Don't say that the trolling is always bad. Sometimes trolling can be good. And so, yeah, there we go. Here's the problem. The iPhone 17 is an upgrade in so many different ways. So it's got a better screen. It's got more nits than you ever want, hence the glasses. It's got a better processing unit. It's got everything better, but the software is kind of annoying on some programs compared to others because it's different from what I'm used to. It's going to take a while for me to get used to all of that. But what I'm most annoyed about is, even though this fits in this awesome thing here for the VR plus one Zeiss, this awesome thing contraption here if you want to do VR. Unfortunately, the software in the 17, I don't know, I haven't tested the Air. I know that anything larger than that, so the Pro Max and the other, the ones with multiple, okay, this has 2 lenses. The one that has 3 lenses and above, all of those, I don't think will work with VR at all. So in a way, I've upgraded, but in a way, it's like downgraded. But I had no choice. For 2 reasons. One, I was given the ultimatum: you will change your phone or else. And the reason for that is, and it makes sense from a business perspective, is the iPhone 13 mini, they're not going to take it back next year and value it as much as they would now. So you guys can do the math on that one, and you're forced to do whatever you want. But the biggest problem that I see with this is what I said in my other video, which is the draw, right? If you are want to conceal your phone, this phone compared to this phone, right? Look at this. Everybody will always know that this is in your pocket. Everybody will know not only that you have this in the pocket, but when you try to pull it out and put it back in your pocket, it's so inconvenient. So that is the biggest gripe that I have with this, and it'll just never go away. Even if you get the Air is even bigger. Like the screen is even longer than this, so they'll always know what you have in your pocket. So it is not burglar proof, unfortunately, and that is my biggest gripe with it. And what can you do? You win some and you lose some. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.